723 centimeters in feet? First of all, we need to know the value of 1 centimeter in feet. It's always 1 centimeter equals 0.03280839895 feet. Now we have to multiply 0.03280839895 by 723. Therefore, 723 centimeters times 0.03280839895 feet equals 23.72047244085 feet. So, in other words, 723 centimeters equals 23.72047244085 feet. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.